Hello friends, welcome to my class. Today I am going to discuss the expression for final velocities of projectile motion. Okay, in the previous class we have seen the relation between HTR, maximum height, range and time of flight. And the before last video we have seen that the very important formulas for range, maximum height and time of flight. These two concepts are very important for numerical purpose. Okay, and next this topic also very important for numerical purpose. Whatever the expressions or equations we get this, that equations are very important. Okay, now let us come to the projectile. So already we have defined when an object is thrown with some initial velocity having with some angle rather than 90 degrees, then the body travels in a parabolic path. Then the body is said to be projectile. Yes. So for projectile there are initial velocity and final velocity. So that final velocity is okay. We are going to find out the expression for the final velocities. Let us see. Yes, this is what x and y axis which are drawn from the origin point when an object is thrown like this. Okay, its initial velocity rather than 90 degrees, that object is travels in a parabolic path, a trajectory path. So this we know that maximum point which is equals to 0, Vy is equals to 0, but acceleration in the y direction is not 0. This we know that h max. Okay, and this we know that range. For u, it divides into two components, x direction and y direction. That we can say that the components of velocities. Okay, this is u cos theta along x direction, this is u sin theta along y direction. U is nothing but initial velocity. After traveling for time t seconds, then the velocity of the body is said to be final velocity. So I am taking here Vx and this is Vy. Okay, this is Vy and this is the angle theta. So for that final velocities in x-axis and y-axis along horizontal and vertical, we are going to find out or obtain. Okay, and before going to see that one, we need to see what are the kinematic equations. Total there are 5 kinematic equations, but main kinematic equations are 3 only. That let us see. V is equals to u plus at, okay, and s is equals to ut plus of at square and v square minus u square is equals to 2v. These are the main 3 kinematic equations. Okay, out of which this is the final velocity, this is initial velocity, acceleration, time. So if you take this equation to find the final velocities of a projectile motion, you can ask one thing, sir, we can take this also. But here there is no time. There is no time here in the third equation. But after traveling t seconds, we are going to find out the final velocity in x direction or horizontal direction and vertical direction. So that I wish to take v is equals to u plus at kinematic equation number 1. So that is v is equals to u plus at. Okay. So I want to write this velocity, final velocity in position vector form or vector form. that is V bar is equals to Vx I cap plus Vy j cap. This is Vx and this is Vy. Okay, to get the final velocity. So this is, let us consider equation 1. Now horizontal velocity Vx, expression for the horizontal velocity Vx. Okay, right. Write Vx according to this kinematic equation 3, that is, okay, we can write Vx is equals to Ux plus Ax into T. Okay, Vx is equals to Ux nothing but U cos theta plus Ax nothing but there is no acceleration along x direction or in a horizontal direction. There is an acceleration for y direction only, or in a vertical direction, that may be going upward or downwards. If it goes, yes, if it is comes down, A is equals to plus Z. If it is goes up, A is equals to minus Z. Okay, that we know. This term becomes 0. Then Vx is equals to U cos theta. That is equation 2. Let us consider equation 2. So horizontal velocity is completed. Let us find out vertical velocity. That is Vy. Vy is equals to what? Okay, that is Vy equal to, okay, this is Uy plus Ay into T. I think is that this is the final velocity V is equals to U plus At. It is applied for y direction, so that Vy is equals to Uy plus Ay into T. Then Vy equal to Uy nothing but what? In y direction, that is it U sin theta. U sin theta plus Ay nothing but, yes. So if it is going upward direction, that is minus G into T. So Vy equal to U sin theta minus Gt. This is equation 3. We have two equations here. There is a 3 equation. If we substitute these 2 and 3 in equation 1, we get final velocity. Therefore, substitute equation 2, 3 in equation 1. Substitute equation 2 and 3 in 1, we will get Vy equal to, this is V is equal to U cos theta into I cap plus U sin theta minus Gt into J cap. Here, what is mean by I cap and J cap? Okay, so I cap nothing but J cap nothing but orthogonal vectors or unit vectors along x comma y axis. So this will be, can be also written as like this. Okay, this is vector form. This is a only magnitude form. That is U square cos square theta plus U sin theta minus Gt square whole square. This is the final velocity. Okay, final velocity expression. Now we can also find out, this is the final velocity of the projector. Angle of projection. Angle of projection. What is the angle of projection? Okay, at anywhere, generally, to find the angle, we must go through the tan theta, because it depends on opposite side and adjacent side. Opposite side upon adjacent side, nothing but tan theta. So that you are writing tan alpha. Let us give tan alpha. Okay, tan alpha equal to Vy by Vx. This is Vy along y direction. This is Vx along x direction. Vy upon Vx gives that alpha. Okay, then alpha is equals to, okay, you can write Vy nothing but what? U sin theta minus dt by d is nothing but u cos theta. Then alpha is equals to tan inverse u sin theta minus dt by u cos theta. This is an expression to find the angle of projection. Okay, angle of the projection. So this is, next let us find out what is the equation of trajectory. Okay, there is a one expression is there, the equation of trajectory. That is, we know that y equal to ax minus bx square. Ax minus bx square. So a nothing but already we have seen in the previous class, that is tan theta into x. Okay, this is b nothing but what? G by 2u square cos square theta into x square. Here a equal to tan theta, b equal to g by 2u square cos square theta. That is x square and x square. Y is equals to, I am taking tan theta into x is common. Yes, we can take, to take the tan theta and x square. Here there is x, here there is x. We can take x is a common. Tan theta to be pink. We are doing that. So if you take the tan theta is common, tan theta will be there in the denominator. Okay? So this is 1 minus gx square by 2 u square cos square theta into tan theta. So here y is equals to tan theta into x 1 minus gx square by 2 u square cos square is same. Tan theta, know that sin theta by cos. Sin theta by cos. This one gets cancelled. We can write as tan theta into x equal to 1 minus gx square. Okay, this is u square into 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, I am writing here to me. This is 2 sin theta is there, cos theta is there. One of because is okay, cutting with the denominator of cos. 2 sin theta cos theta. This we can write as sin 2 theta. Y is equals to tan theta into x 1 minus g x square by u square sin 2 theta. And this we can write as g, you can write in the denominator form. In the denominator. So finally we can write it as y is equals to tan theta into x is equals to 1 minus, this is, sorry, and there is x is common, only x is there. Only x is there. Only x by r. Because u square sin 2 theta by g equal to r, that is range expression. Range expression. Right, thank you. So this is about the equation of trajectory, that is y is equals to ax minus bx square. Everything is okay. Tan theta into x is common. Then one x will be there, common, and this tan theta is not there in this term, so that it comes in the denominator. So finally, after doing like this, we will get this expression, that is y is equals to tan theta into x into 1 minus x by r. This is very important formula for numerical purpose. Okay, this is also very important and this is also very important. This is about the final velocities of the projectile motion. In the next class, let us find out the vertical components at half of the maximum height or at h by 2. That is very important. Okay, thank you.